Hello, my wonderful subscribers and viewers. Happy New Month to everybody. And I just want to use this opportunity to tell us that, okay, we're going to be starting a series of tutorials in Scratch. And it's about a maze game. And this is how it works. So we're going to be moving our player from the starting point to the finishing point, which is the green part right here. And then we're going to be having a timer of 20 seconds per stage. We need to be able to move our user from this point to this point in 20 seconds. If we finish all the levels, we win the game. If not, that's game over. So it's not a point-based game. It's more like a milestone game whereby you have to just, beat the milestone to, get to the next stage. Let me just show you how it works, and then we prepare for that in the next series. All right, so you see, this is how we move. You move around the maze. The timer keeps working. Okay, so make sure you are first. You get there before the timer is 0, and then you go again. You see, this is the next stage. All right, as you can see. All right, you keep moving like that. It's quite easy though, but we keep changing the levels. This seems to be the last level. We just want to make the maze super easy for now, but we're gonna make it so complex. And then I win the game because I was able to. Now what happens if I don't win? If I don't get to the points? Now let's see. Let's check it out. So probably I got stuck at some point, and then I wasn't able to move around. Let's check it out. So let's see what has happened. Okay, maybe I got stuck at this point. This is easy actually, and I want to say, yeah, for those that are just starting, oh yeah, that's game over. So that's it. This is what we're going to be doing in the next series of tutorials. Please subscribe, like, and comment in the comment section below to let us know your mind. We're going to be creating at least 10 maze, and we're going to be sharing the project with you so that you can actually work with the maze that we've created. Instead of you starting all over again, designing your maze. Okay, so I want you to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and tell your friends about this lovely channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.